Let's take a fun trip inside of my local Hobby Lobby here in Denton, Texas. As you hop on and join me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you can be informed every time I put out a new video. And I want you to know how much I appreciate you watching my videos. So right when I step inside the door, I call this the front porch, but oh my goodness, all the fall is right there and I'm right here for it. I hope that you love all the things that I share with you. They are so much fun. I especially love this Happy Fall Buffalo check pillow and the pumpkin truck. You will see that I show that throughout this video. There are so many cute things. I can't even begin to video everything that the Hobby Lobby has, but I am here for all the buffalo check pillows and all of the buffalo check pumpkins and just really all of the fun decor that they have, including this blessed galvanized script sign. Now I saw this little pumpkin sitting on the shelf and I had to get a little closer look. It is kind of a green Cinderella pumpkin, I think is what they call them. Let me know in the comments if that's correct or if I'm completely wrong, but yeah. And then they had these awesome porch leaners that said, "Hey friends, hello fall and welcome." And then a lot of little scarecrow children, is that the right term? Is it scarecrow children? They just have a lot of them everywhere. So all of this fall decor, I was like, boom, I hit the jackpot with this shelving feature showing all the 50% off fall decor. So I thought I would give you a little bit closer look into the pieces. And the first piece that struck my eye was this ceramic little pumpkin with the holes in it, perfect for a votive. And then this wooden 3D pumpkin, thought it was very rustic and something that you could even possibly DIY. You guys know how much I love the little animal decor, and this little ceramic squirrel was just crying, "Take me home." Couldn't you hear it in his little blue eyes? This was another ceramic pumpkin with holes in it. And then also I wanted to show you this lantern and how cute it is, and you could fill it up with pumpkins as well. But then I saw this little pumpkin here and it really reminded me of the pumpkin that we made over in an earlier video that I will link below. It is the one we did from the thrift store with the wooden beads. And then lo and behold, behind the pumpkin was this little turkey. And this turkey was hiding from us, but it is gorgeous. It is a silver foiled turkey, and it also came in like a bronze gold color. Absolutely loved that one. I thought it was really, really pretty. And then here's another little animal, you guys, just tearing at my heart. It's a little porcupine saying, "Take me home, take me home." Y'all, I don't know about you, but all the little animals when I'm shopping, they just call out to me. Then I saw this really cute velvet pumpkin, and it was a pillow pumpkin. It has that real pumpkin, not cord, that's a stem, and it has a little bit of a gold touch on it. I liked that. I thought it gave it a really fun pop. And then just all of the wooden and leather tassels this year are really, really hot in the way of fall decor. Now, that is what was on my Hobby Lobby's front porch as you just walk in. But let's go inside and see what they have inside for us. Oh my goodness. Look at all of the signs and pumpkin decor, y'all, all the way up this probably like 20-foot wall. I'm like 5 feet, and that's me having to angle the camera all the way up. We have got a welcome pumpkin here with wood, and then it's got this really pretty like jute rope effect throughout, and I kind of really like that idea. And then this bronze, kind of a dark chocolate stem and leaves on this cream embossed metal pumpkin was screaming out to me as well to take it home. They had some football, sunflower, grateful, thankful, blessed, and welcome friends signs. And this one I really liked because it had that really pretty scalloped ruffled edge on all the way around. The signs keep coming. They just are never low on signs at Hobby Lobby. If you ever need inspiration, you can totally go here and get your fill of inspiration. Now, they had a little section of shelf sitters, say that really fast 3 times, including these little wooden stacked books that I really thought were cute with this twine bow as well as the little wooden bead tassels. Thought you could put those on a shelf or a mantle, either one. And then they had wooden slat pumpkins, whimsical pumpkins, just really all the pumpkins you can imagine. And then these fun pillows. These are gray velvet with appliques on the front, and all the pumpkins were a little bit different, so I kind of liked that. It also came in this neutral kind of a taupey cream color, and they had this watercolor birdie pillow. Love that. And then a welcome pillow, and then the other sunflower pillow. Oh my goodness, y'all. And my favorite pillow of all, the buffalo check with the happy fall stitching on it and the little orange tassels in all 4 corners. Y'all, stop it. Get me out of here. And then we've got this pumpkin patch. It also is buffalo check. Just all the pillows, they just call to me. And then this turkey. This turkey was just sitting here on a bench, minding its own business, and I was like, come here to me. Let me see you closer. So cute. Totally glittery, has all these little pine cones on his tail. So perfect for a Thanksgiving centerpiece to put on your table. And then I was like, wait a minute. I gotta go see how much this turkey is. And everything is half off right now. So this little turkey was $20. I was like, get in my cart, buddy. Start the car. Somebody help me, y'all. It's just out of control. Then I saw these amber bottles that are so awesome. They remind me of my Starbucks bottle projects that I did over on the blog. I will definitely link those below here. But they come in 2 different sizes here at Hobby Lobby, and they're perfect for fall decor. Now, this is just like that green pumpkin I showed you on the porch, but it came in an orange color too. And so if you want like a more traditional look. And then there were these pumpkin fillers, and they were not just pumpkins, but they had some succulents in them. I was trying to make sure you could see those, but it's a really fun, cool idea to put beads and succulents and pumpkins all together. I'm thinking like a dough bowl or a hurricane, something of that nature. And then they had these up here that had the gourds in them and the thankful little wooden writing script in them as well with the little sunflowers. Just great little bowl fillers. And then they had the whimsical fall kind of decor pieces, the palette pumpkins, and all of the rustic pumpkins. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comments below. I'm totally here for it. I love all of this. I could put all of this in my cart and not feel bad about it at all. Because after all, it's all half off, right? I was liking this little galvanized pie tin riser. Thought it would be really cute to doll up with a bunch of fall decor. And then of course, here is your fall words that I have shown you before. I'm loving all of this, you guys. Can you tell? I love this light up pumpkin. So stinking cute. I'm going to show you. Oh, stop it. Melanie. It also comes in a large pumpkin size. I can't get enough. Oh my gosh, stop me. Somebody stop me. Y'all, I need supervision when I'm in the store. Supervision would be good. And then of course that I saw the light up signs in the word fall in orange and regular galvanized letters, and I couldn't get them to light up, y'all. I couldn't get them to light up. So I just was like, wah, boring. And I moved on to these fun little shelf sitters here that say thankful and grateful and blessed. They were really cute as well. And there was my turkey. I was like, oh my gosh, it multiplied. They were all up there on the top shelf, but I'm, again, only 5 foot tall, so I couldn't see them where I was. This is their dough bowls, and they were on sale. I believe it ended up being, they were like $20 once you take them down to half off. Yeah, right there, $20. And they were substantially huge. I think they were really, really good deal if you are in the market for a new dough bowl. So this is my Hobby Lobby. It has everything for fall at half off right now. Run, don't walk, and check it out.